Hi, if you want to know about the beating heart of Rome with its rich history and the huge monument of Vittorio Emanuele II, come with me. Piazza Venezia is one of the most important and famous squares of the Italian capital, which is located in the center of Rome, and due to its strategic location, it is an important intersection for several main streets of the city. From this square, you can easily access other historical and tourist areas of Rome. The square is close to other important attractions such as Roman Forum, the Colosseum, and the Pantheon, and tourists can reach these places with a short walk. On the southeast side of Piazza Venezia, St. Mark's Church is located, which is one of the most beautiful and historic churches. This church was founded in 336 AD, which has very beautiful paintings and mosaics that are worth seeing. Monument to Vittorio Emanuele II, a historical and national monument, is located in the center of the palace of this square. This large and magnificent building was built in memory of Vittorio Emanuele II, the first king of United Italy. This building has interesting stories and details. This building was designed by an architect named Giuseppe Sacconi. Its construction began in 1885 and lasted until 1925. This building was built in the neoclassical style and is famous for its large size and white marble statue. This building is known as a symbol of Italian unity. Vittorio Emanuele II, as the first king of United Italy, has played an important role in the history of the country, and this monument was built in his honor and to celebrate the unity of Italy. In this building, there is the tomb of the unknown soldiers with two ever-burning flames, which was added in 1921. This grave is dedicated to the Italian soldiers who died in the First World War, and every day the changing of the guard ceremony is held. In this palace, this building is the place of national and official ceremonies of Italy. Important events such as Republic Day are held here. The building has large statue of historical and mythological characters. The roof of this building is one of the best places to see a panoramic view of the city of Rome. Visitors can take the elevator to the roof of the building and see a beautiful view of the city. Piazza Venezia in Rome is one of the historical and important buildings that has experienced various changes and adjustments throughout history. This palace, which dates back to the 15th century, the Venice Palace, was originally built as the residence of Cardinal Pitel Barbo, who later became Pope Paul II between 1455 to 1467. This building was built in Renaissance style and considered one of the first examples of this style in Rome. After Cardinal Peter became Pope Paul II, the palace was given to the Republic of Venice and used as the Venetian embassy in Rome. This change of use made the palace take the name Venice. Over the countries, the palace was renovated and expanded several times. In the 16th century AD, parts were added to the building and other changes were made in its interior and exterior design. In the 19th century, the Venetian Palace became the property of the Italian government and was used as an administrative and military building. During this period, internal and structural changes were applied to adapt to new needs. During Mussolini's fascist rule, Venice Palace was used as one of the important government centers and Mussolini's residence and office. From the famous balcony of this palace, Mussolini gave his important speeches to the people. After the fall of the fascist regime, the Venice Palace was used as a national museum. Today, the National Museum of Piazza Venezia is located in this building and contains a diverse collection of fine arts, historical objects, and works of art. In recent years, restoration and renovation have been done to preserve and maintain this historical building. In general, there is a hatred and a negative feeling toward Piazza Venezia among many Italians due to the prominent role that this place played in the history of fascism and repression in Italy. This square is for many people a symbol of a dark and painful period of history. This is their country because of the centrality of fascist power and Mussolini's speeches, because Piazza Venezia was the venue for many fascist trails and marches, which were accompanied by extensive regime propaganda. These gatherings and displays of power created fear and panic in heart of many people. Many Italians still remember the bitter memories of World War II and the era of fascism. In popular culture and the media, Piazza Venezia continues to be portrayed as a symbol of fascism and the Mussolini era. This representation have the effect of maintaining negative feeling towards this place in the collective memory of the people. Beneath the Piazza Venezia is a network of ancient tunnels and underground structures, some of which date back to the Roman Empire. These tunnels were used as water reservoirs, shelters, secret passageways, and many of them have not yet been fully explored. The Venetian Palace, now a museum, has hidden rooms and secret passageways designed over the centuries for various purposes, including protection and escape. These rooms now reveal parts of the building's history and architecture that are not accessible to the public. In some of the buildings and churches around the Piazza Venezia, there are lesser known works of art and paintings created by famous Italian artists. Some of these works are hidden from the public view for various reasons and can only be seen with special access. With its rich history and hidden secrets, Piazza Venezia remains one of the most fascinating and mysterious place in Rome. These secrets and stories add to the depth and historical cultural appeal of this square. Have a nice time and bye.